What's up mga brad? Sana mabuti ang lahat. Kamusta kayo? Ah, Meron na naman tayong papanoorin na kaso. Ito na naman ay shoplifting sa Burberry store or Burberry store. So, tingnan natin kung anong ginawa ng babae.
Just fill me in a little bit on why I'm here and what's going on.
Like, stupid. I'm stupid.
Okay.
I'm
All right.
stupid, but I'll come to court, please. I don't have no money for a bond or anything.
Okay.
Like
Let me talk to them and then I'll
please,
see
I
what.
will come. I'll pay it. I'll go to court if I have to pay for it.
Okay.
I'll pay for it. And I'll work my ass off. You know, I just have.
Did you have enough? All right. Well, let me
No, I
let
don't
me
have
talk
it
to them.
now, but if I could pay it, I'm pretty sure.
I get what you're saying. Let me talk to them, kind of figure out what happened, what was taken, and what the number is.
I gave you a receipt because they actually got a price increase, so this is what they bring up in the register.
Okay.
So what you took a picture of and what that's gonna be a little different.
You know, I'm being
Okay.
honest. I sat down in the parking lot. I didn't want to do it. I was,
Okay.
you know, I didn't want to. I sat down. I was
Okay,
thinking
well-
to my kids.
Obviously, I'm investigating shoplifts, right? Okay. I have to read off a card. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I don't know anything until I get your statement, obviously, right? They told me half of it. I got their side of it. Short and brief, and they'll show me the video if there is some, which I'm sure there is. But I have to read just your constitutional rights, okay?
Going to jail.
I don't know. Yeah, just well. Okay. What's your name?
Aileen. And you know, Aileen.
Eileen.
Yes.
Okay, Eileen. All right. So let me read off this card, okay, and then let me ask you a couple questions about what's going on, okay? So I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. The first one is you have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Okay. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer, of a court-appointed lawyer, before you make any statement and during any questioning. One more side. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer my questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights? Are you okay with talking to me about what happened? All right. So what happened today? Obviously, you know, over here.
Yeah, I know.
So what's the situation today?
I think I have my kids in the house, and I don't have even no food. I don't have any money. All I have to me is $2. In my car.
You said your kids are at home?
Yeah.
Where at? Where's home?
Kids at Homestead. I live in Homestead. I came over here because my baby. I have a small baby of 6 months. So then I came to the jail place. And Martin, but I'm coming down when I'm coming down.
Where'd you go, Martin?
Martin County.
Goodbye.
And so I came down, and on my way back, I stopped here. I sat down in my car. I parked my car right there. I sat down because the situation I'm telling you that I don't have any money for my kids. I don't have even formula. My kids right now is in the house. Doesn't have anything to eat or anything. You know, it's not for you to feel sorry for me or anything. You know, I'm just telling you.
Well, we have to make sure.
What's happened? What took me to do this? Because I don't do this. I don't even have a record.
Who's home with the kids?
My daughter's 16-year-old.
Okay.
I gotta get the video.
All right. No one else is home.
You guys need one.
With my
I thought you guys do the disc
Huh?
thing.
with my other kids.
Any adults that are home?
My daughter, she should be getting there. My 19-year-old, but like I was explaining to the sergeant, you know, my 19-year-old, she has the same issue as me. I suffer a depression of bipolar, and I got a slow learning disability. I don't know how to read or write. That's the reason I can't keep a job. That's why I'm disabled.
Okay.
So there's no excuse. I sat down. I came down. I stood down there for like 45 minutes, an hour. I didn't even want to get down. I got down in the store. I went in, took a breath. I didn't want to. I came back out. I stood down in my car again. When I stood down in my car again, I went around and I stopped here. And I don't know. I can't give you another answer. I don't know. I came up and just went, boom, just split it. And I was going to take it out of my purse, but I said, I don't know. It's like my mind, I don't know what it is. I don't know because I didn't take my medication. I don't know what it is.
Okay. You still allowed me, but so you came in here. You said you were at another store, or you came in just here?
No. I stood down in front of another store in the parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
In the parking lot.
Yep.
I stood there for 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
And then I didn't do anything. I didn't took anything. I haven't taken anything from anywhere. I don't do this.
Mhm.
I just did it because I was speaking to my kids. Situation that is my own personal, you know, that
Okay.
I don't have any money. That's the truth. That I don't have the money to.
So
feed
then
my
you
kids.
came here.
And I came here, and I'm telling you what happened. I came, I parked, I even left my car on and everything because I don't know.
Your
know
car's
what I
still
was
running?
thinking.
Okay. And then what happened?
So trying to get some money to feed my kids. To be honest with you, to feed my kids and to have money because I don't have. All I have is $2.
Okay. You took those to take them to sell them to.
All they're gonna give me probably $100. To be honest with you.
I don't know. I don't
No,
know.
no,
I don't
no,
know
I'm
how it
telling
works.
you,
Okay.
I'm telling you, probably all what they give me is $100 because they don't even give, that's what I'm saying, it's something stupid because if it would have been something that they're going to pay you, but it's something stupid, I just needed it from my reason. I know you don't believe me, I know there's no excuse, I'm doing it really bad, but I've never done this, I don't have even a record. At one time, and that's the first time they caught me and they gave me a citation, I went to court and everything, had to pay court fees. And now, because
Was that for shoplift or no?
Oh, for having a shirt, yeah, in my purse.
Okay. When was this?
And are you crazy? No.
Okay.
That's why I said I will really go to court. I will show up. You know, I'll put my consequences. It doesn't matter. I'm just asking if I could get at least a chance. You know, please, I beg you.
Just run her real quick, Martha.
Yeah.
All right, have you been arrested for anything? Never arrested ever?
Yeah.
For
problems that I had I was in custody for picking up a medication.
Real quick. Do you have a Florida driver's license? You do? Okay.
all right, what's the deal with your kids? Because that's my concern right now is about your children. So,
Uh-huh.
do you have a cell phone?
It's in the car.
Okay, so what's up with your kids right now?
My kids are in the house with my 16-year-old.
Okay,
And I have all my kids.
are they all together?
Yeah.
All the kids?
They're all together.
Okay.
And so that's why I'm asking. I can't afford, to be honest with you. I don't have it.
Okay,
That's
just
why I was doing this.
hold on. Your name's Eileen? Okay, my name's Officer Bale. I'm the primary officer now, okay? So I was on an accident, so I was late, but now I'm here, so let me explain to you, okay? So we don't get to make like choices. The Florida state statute, it's like law in Florida, decides whether or not it's a court date or it's, you know, like going to county jail. We don't make that determination. It's the amount and other contributing circumstances. Okay, so to be honest with you, and I'm not trying to freak you out, but just by the price looking at it, you're probably not going to be able to go home tonight. You're probably going to be going to jail. Okay, just for the night, you'll probably be out tomorrow morning. So my concern now is figuring out what to do with the kids. So how do I get a hold of your 16-year-old? You said son?
Can you take me to my car right quick?
So I'm gonna have to go to your car and get your phone, just make a couple phone calls, because again, my concern is your kids. All right. Okay. So is there any adult that's available that can come by and check on the kids? Because I know
I don't live here. That's why I live in Homestead.
Okay, I understand that, but a 16-year-old isn't an adult, so I would need to make contact with an adult and have them go and make sure the kids are okay. Okay. So
I'm arrested.
yeah, right now you're under arrest. Yeah. Okay.
Please, there's
All right.
no way of me.
Go to the car. Let me go to your car and get your ID for you.
What kind of car do you have? What color and where's it parked at?
Can I go with you?
No. Can you give him the keys?
Is that okay if I get?
Yeah.
All I'm gonna do is get your ID out of your
No,
car.
that's fine.
What kind of car do you have?
A Nissan Altima.
Okay.
It's parked. I don't know how it is. Where I came from.
What do you remember seeing?
And it's parking lot. It's parked. I think it's a handicap parking lot next to it, right there, and the entrance.
Okay, that's like the whole mall. Okay. Yeah.
You want to? We can walk out and put it in the back.
we'll
Let's do
do
that.
that.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor, Eileen. Stand up for me. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. Palms together like you're praying. Palms together. Thank you.
Have to go to jail.
Yes.
What did you have with you? You said you had a handbag. Is that your purse?
Oh, hold on. Are these too tight? Either of them, I can fit 2 fingers in each of them. Okay. Nope. Like I said, because it's over $2,000, it's a felony. It's not a misdemeanor. Okay, so if it was a misdemeanor, you can get a court date and a ticket, but it's not a misdemeanor.
But it's not
Okay.
over yet.
Huh? What's not over yet?
No, it's not over.
What?
It's $2,000.
It's over 2,000. Thank you.
It's over $2,000.
Yeah. You know you're taken from like the most expensive store in the mall.
I don't even know from stores.
Okay. All right.
54 ways has a lot of Class E Homestead exploration.
Not.
2064
No.
Strawberry too?
No. Do you need her back here?
Yeah. Oh, I need a picture. I'm sorry. I didn't know
Okay.
you were taking
Well,
it.
I'm gonna come back here to get some stuff from you, but she's
Yeah.
gonna go in my car for
Yeah,
now.
I need her picture.
Okay.
Sorry. If you don't mind, just and then make a profile, please. Yeah,
Cool.
I told her I trespassed her.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be back in here to get like I'll bring you guys a thumb drive and whatever else you need.
Yeah,
Cool.
perfect.
I'll take care of
That one, right? Exit.
95 signal 53 shelter.
No other way, I'm not.
Is this gonna go off if I open it?
Is there any other
Bravo
way?
46 at 1021. I have your caller. Just made landline.
Stop. Relax for a second. So I'm gonna stop. Relax.
Never.
So I'm not gonna make this embarrassing for you. So you're gonna stand by with this officer in his car. I'm gonna bring my car around, and then I'm gonna put you in my car, and then we're gonna go look for your vehicle. Okay?
You right to
Yeah,
it.
it does.
I could take you right
No,
to it.
well, I don't want to put you in and then have like go on a merry-go-round. So, I'll just leave this here. If you just want to drive around
What's gonna
and
happen
just
to my
try to
car?
find it. Cool. Huh?
What's gonna happen to the car?
So if it's okay with you, all we want to do is get your phone so we can contact someone for the children, and then I'm sure Officer Martel will have no issue like turning it off for you if that's what you want, and then we'll lock it and we'll keep. Do you want your purse to stay in your vehicle and not go with you to county jail?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Put it in the trunk if you want.
Please.
Perfect.
I
So all
appreciate
we're gonna take with you is you said your license in the car.
Yes.
Your ID and your phone.
There's a wallet. There's a wallet of Coach, where my license, my driver's license, is at.
Yeah.
Is in the middle, right there in the bottom of the
I'll
knee.
take, instead of having all that in property and making it a mess, I can take your ID out and get your phone. Is that okay?
So the less the better we take with you. So you have two things. Cool. Cool.
Would I
thanks,
be able
buddy.
to take my medication?
What is it? What do you suffer from?
I
What do
take
you have?
quite medications. They're right there in the car. I have them separated there.
Well, so we can't give you medication, but there's a nursing station at the county jail, and they can give you whatever you need. Okay. Again, I don't foresee you being there for a long time. You'll probably get released probably sometime.
I suffer from a
Okay.
lot.
Okay.
I
So
used to go through this.
hold on. So I'm gonna just ask you a little bit more because I need to get some more information regarding the incident. Okay. So you said these officers read you your rights already? Okay. Well, I wasn't here when that happened, so I just for my, because again, I'm the primary officer, it's my investigation. So I'm going to read you your rights again. Just let me know if you have any questions regarding it or you want me to stop or slow down or whatever. Okay. All right. So Irene, so I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any of my questions. Any statement that you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any of my questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any of my questioning. You follow me so far? So if at any time during this interview you do not wish to answer my questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand these rights as I read them to you? Okay. So today, I'm sure you already explained the story like 3 different times to the supervisor and then that officer, but again, I'm the primary officer, so I kind of have to get an idea of what's going on. So what brought you to the mall today?
I went all the way to Martin County and I'm on my way back.
You drove to Martin County? Where do you live?
I live in Homestead. But
Okay, so why?
my father of my baby,
Okay,
he's arrested over there. He's been in jail for already quite months.
in Martin County.
In Martin County. So I went and I came back, and then when I came back, I have a situation that I don't have any money or nothing for my kids to feed them or anything.
Okay.
I'm behind on bills. I'm going through a lot of situations right now by myself. I've been on my own for 5 kids.
Okay.
It's been really tough. So I stopped here. And when I stopped here, you know, I just said the only way out, to be honest with you, my only way out, I said to make some money is just to be able to feed my kids and buy them milk. To do stupid shit, something that I don't do.
So you figured the only way for you to get money was to
That's what I thought.
was to do what?
Just to steal something. I didn't even want to.
And then do what with it?
Nothing to sell it.
To sell it?
Sell it, I guess. Nobody would buy it.
Hold on. Is it in a garage?
Yes. And the garage on the front door where they caught me at is isn't a handicap.
Okay. All right. So your intention was to come to the mall today,
No,
and
it was not my intention. I like I said, I stood down in the parking lot here, in the parking lot in front of Neiman Marcos. I even got down in Neiman Marcos. I didn't want to. I got down. I said, what I'm doing. I was there talking to myself because I have, like I said, I have problems of depression, and I didn't drink my medications. So I didn't want it. I just wanted to be by myself. So I stood down here in my car for hours, and then I got down to Neiman Marcus. I left Neiman Marcus.
Did you take anything from Neiman Marcus? Did you think about taking things from Neiman Marcus?
Nothing. That's what I'm telling you. It's like, you know, I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to do it. I just
Sure.
Stay